I was so excited to see a new bird at my feeder. Look at that chocolate colored head. And the rest of the bird was black iridescent feathers that shone different colors as he moved around. And that thick beak, he just looked like no other bird I'd really seen close up before. And then I looked him up. This is Mr. Brown-headed Cowbird. Yeah. So what I learned is Mr. and Mrs. Cowbird are not monogamous. They don't build a nest. She lays her eggs in other birds' nests. Her eggs are larger, the babies hatch quicker, and then they end up crowding out the host bird nest babies. And so they're kind of a parasite, and they help hurt populations of other birds. So look at him. Look how pretty he is with those black feathers that just shine different colors. Here, pretty soon you can catch a glimpse of green and turquoise, kind of. And then I find that really they kind of harm other birds. So yay, but not. Anyway, new bird to add to my bird watching list.